Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into some of the most advanced robot vacuums and mops you can buy right now. From powerful pet hair specialists to slim designs that reach under furniture, I'll cover key features, pros and cons, and pricing. I'll also break things down by use case, whether you need top-notch mopping, a mid-range balance, or low-profile cleaner, or an all-around powerhouse. By the end, you'll know exactly which robot fits your home and lifestyle. So let's get started. First up is the Narwal Flow, which in my opinion delivers the best mopping performance on the market right now. If you've ever been frustrated by robot vacuums that just drag a damp cloth around, the Flow is going to change your mind. Instead of using the typical spinning mop pads, Narwal went with a continuous roller mop system. Think of it like a moving track that constantly scrubs your floors with fresh, warm water, about 113 degrees Fahrenheit, while a built-in scraper removes dirty residue in real time. This means it's never just re-spreading the same dirt. And when the job's done, the dock kicks in. It actually washes the mop roller with hot water, sterilizes it at 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and dries it with warm air. That's a level of cleanliness most other robots just can't match. On the vacuuming side, the Flow packs 22,000 pascals of suction, strong enough for everyday messes, though not the absolute leader in raw power. It also automatically lifts its mop up about half an inch when it rolls onto carpets, so your rugs stay dry. Navigation is powered by dual cameras and AI obstacle detection, and it even supports voice commands with Hey Nawa. At around $1,299, Narwal Flow is a premium option focused on mopping. Its strengths are clear: outstanding mopping ability, one of the most hygienic self-cleaning bases available, and solid suction for everyday debris. Despite its advanced features, this robot does come with a few drawbacks. It uses a lot of water, so bigger homes will need frequent refills, and it doesn't automatically add detergent. It requires the user to manually add detergent to the clean water canister. Still, if mopping is your top priority, nothing beats the Narwal Flow. Next, let's talk about the eufy E25 Omni. Not everyone wants to spend over $1,000 on a robot vacuum, and this is where eufy shines. Sitting in the mid-range category at around $699 to $899, it's considerably cheaper than other robot mops in this list, but it still delivers a great hybrid cleaning experience. It combines a 20,000 pascal suction motor with dual spinning mop pads that continuously refresh with clean water. On hard floors, it leaves a nice streak-free finish, and on low-pile carpets and rugs, the suction is more than enough for daily upkeep. What sets it apart is just how quiet it is. Even at higher suction levels, it's noticeably less intrusive than most high-end robots, making it ideal for people who want to run it while working from home or overnight. The dock is a pleasant surprise at this price. Like the higher-end models, it empties the dustbin, refills water, and washes and dries the mop pads. You're getting true hands-free maintenance without spending over $1,000. That said, the eufy E25 isn't perfect. It lacks advanced obstacle avoidance, relying more on basic LiDAR, so you'll still need to tidy up cords and small objects before running it. Its mopping is competent, but not as aggressive as the Narwal roller systems, and deep carpet cleaning isn't its strength. Still, for the price, the E25 delivers excellent value. You get quiet operation and self-maintaining dock, and solid cleaning performance in a sleek package. For apartments or smaller homes where convenience and low noise matter most, this is one of the smartest buys you can make. Next up, the MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller Complete. If you've got pets or you're constantly battling heavy debris, this is the one you'll want to look at. The Z60 brings some seriously impressive numbers to the table. It packs 28,000 pascals of suction power, which is near the top of the class, and it uses a wide hydro roller mop that's continuously flushed with clean water. 12 high-pressure nozzles spray fresh water onto the roller while dirty water is squeezed out, meaning you're not dragging grime around the house. For pet owners, this makes a huge difference in dealing with muddy paw prints or spills. It's also built with anti-tangle dual brushes, which do a great job of picking up long hair without clogging. Add in a deodorizing system in the dock, and you've got a machine that not only keeps your floors clean, but helps manage those pet-related odors too. Combined with adaptive all-terrain mobility and powered by Stepmaster 2.0 and a Lift Pro chassis, this robot can climb thresholds up to 8 centimeters while maintaining an ultra-slim 96mm profile. And with its flex scope navigation, it glides smoothly under beds, sofas, and cabinets, offering full room coverage without interruptions. One of MOVA's advantages is the complete accessory set, which includes spare brushes, rollers, filters, and dust bags, providing about 18 months of replacements and reducing ongoing costs. Now, it's not without trade-offs. While the suction is strong, operating at full power can be quite loud, which may be disruptive in a quiet household. Priced around $1,499, MOVA balances strong suction, effective mopping, and a long-term accessory bundle. For pet owners or households with heavy daily messes, it's a smart and practical choice. Next, we've got the Roborock Saros 10R. This robot vacuum takes a different approach. Instead of maxing out suction or scrubbing, it also focuses on slim design and precision carpet cleaning. If your home has a lot of tight spaces, low furniture, and carpet that needs deep cleaning, this one deserves a serious look. At just 3.14 inches tall, the Saros 10R is one of the slimmest premium robots out there. That means it can slip under beds, couches, and other furniture that many of the chunkier bots can't reach. And it doesn't compromise on power either. With about 22,000 pascals of suction, it may not be the absolute leader, but it's tuned really well for carpet. In tests, it managed to extract more embedded dirt and pet hair from carpets than many of its competitors. And combined with anti-tangle brushes, it's particularly good for homes where carpet gets a lot of daily traffic. It also comes with StarSight 2.0 navigation, which uses cameras and sensors to detect even small obstacles. This makes it one of the best at avoiding socks, cables, or pet toys. And just like the other robot mops, the dock here can wash and dry the mop pads with hot water and air, so maintenance is minimal. Where it falls short, the suction, while good, isn't as strong as MOVA Z60, and the price is pretty steep, hovering around $1,599. However, if your main challenge is reaching under furniture or getting carpets deep cleaned, the Saros 10R is a perfect fit. It's smart, efficient, and great for homes with lots of rugs and tight layouts. Now let's talk about the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone, which I'd call the king of convenience. If you want a robot that basically takes care of itself, this one is for you. Its standout feature is the bagless OmniCyclone base station. Most robot vacuums with auto-empty docks rely on replaceable bags, which adds up over time. The X11 uses a cyclone filtration system instead, which means you just empty a reusable bin every so often. No bags, no extra cost, and it's a lot more eco-friendly. On the cleaning side, it delivers around 19,500 pascals of suction. Not the strongest here, but paired with its high airflow design, it's excellent at pulling up fine dust and pet hair. The mop system is also robust. Dual rollers scrub at high speed, and the dock can soak them in hot water and dry them thoroughly, so they're always ready to go. What I really like is the quiet blast mode. It runs at full suction but stays surprisingly quiet, which is perfect if you don't want to be disturbed while it's running. ECOVACS also equips this model with advanced navigation and obstacle avoidance, using AI-powered sensors to map rooms quickly and move intelligently around furniture, cords, and everyday clutter. The robot also adapts cleaning pads to maximize efficiency while avoiding unnecessary collisions. With a price of about $1,499, it definitely sits in the premium tier, making it a more expensive investment than many alternatives. The package also doesn't include spare brushes, which would be helpful for long-term maintenance and really should be included at this price. Still, for homeowners who want maximum convenience with minimal effort, the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone provides a premium, low-maintenance cleaning solution that can keep up with everyday life almost entirely on its own. And finally, the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra, my pick for the best overall robot vacuum and mop combo of 2025. This machine is just packed with features. Let's start with suction. A jaw-dropping 30,000 pascals, the most powerful I've seen so far. It's not just numbers either. In real-world tests, it picked up almost all fine sand and pet hair across both hard floors and carpets. Then there's the mopping. Dreame uses a unique dual roller system. one nylon roller and one fluff roller that scrubs and constantly rinses with fresh water. It even lifts itself on carpets and seals them off, so you don't have to worry about wet rugs. This setup rivals Narwal for sheer cleaning effectiveness. The dock is also next level. It can auto-empty dust into bags, wash the rollers with boiling hot water, dry them, and refill the water tank. It even dries the dust bag itself to prevent odors. Navigation is another strength. Its advanced AI obstacle avoidance competes with Roborock's best system and often outperforms it in real-world tests. And with a big battery, it runs longer than Eufy or Roborock, covering large homes without issues. The price is around $1,599, so it's on the pricey side like the Roborock Saros 10R, but frequent sales make it easier to grab. And it's big and a bit complex, so there's naturally more to maintain over time, even though the dock takes care of most of it. Overall, for households seeking maximum cleaning performance with full automation, the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra delivers a complete solution. Its combination of strong vacuuming, deep scrubbing, smart navigation, and hands-off maintenance makes it a premium choice for 2025. Alright, that wraps up today's roundup. Hopefully this breakdown helps you figure out which option fits your needs best. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in the next video.